The absence of the first defendant in this case, Mr. Christian Nwosu, did not stop the judgment in the case of money laundering against him and his co-defendant, Tijani Bashir, who was present at the Federal High Court, Ikoyi. Counsel to Nwosu had presented a document stating that his client was in the hospital, having collapsed at a bus park on arrival in Lagos. But the prosecution would have nothing of it, and he urged the court to go ahead with the judgment, according to Section 352 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act. In his response, Justice Mohammed Idris stated that the documents provided did not have details of when Nwosu would be out of the hospital, and therefore the court could not wait indefinitely for him. He then proceeded to give his judgment. According to Justice Idris, the prosecution had proved the case beyond reasonable doubt in the manner required by law. The judge found them guilty of a 9-count charge bordering on money laundering to a tune of over 264 million naira. Justice Idris added that the activities of the accused persons were beyond their duties as INEC officials and amount to an illegality. Although Christian Nwosu was unavailable in court today for health reasons, as said by his defense lawyer, Justice Idris insisted that the EFCC officials must produce him for sentencing by Friday. It had been back and forth from the beginning of the case in 2016. Mr. Nwosu, who had earlier pleaded guilty to receiving 30 million naira gratification from former Minister of Petroleum, Mrs. Daisy Alison Madueke, ahead of the 2015 general elections, later changed his plea to not guilty. Both Nwosu and Bashir were first charged alongside another INEC official, Yesa Adedoyin, who later pleaded guilty to the offense and was convicted following a plea bargain.
I just want to pray that maybe that this judgment will stay a very good warning to the Nigerian populace, to see that there's going to be an end to the money laundering related activities.
By Friday, the number of days, months, and maybe years these accused persons will be spending in custody will be known. Victoria Idowu, Channels Television News.